And continuing our coverage from earlier today, the state of Minnesota versus Isaac Gutierrez, the trial began today. You may remember this as the Chick-fil-A parking lot shooting in Rochester. The jury was selected and is currently hearing arguments for and against the charges of second-degree murder and assault with a deadly weapon against Osbel Ornelas. KIMT News 3's Evan Berg was in the courtroom today.
The jury trial for Isaac Gutierrez began today, and the key issues the prosecution wants the jury to consider are whether or not the shooting of Osbel Ornelas Jr. was intentional, and whether it was done in self-defense. The incident was on February 3rd, around 1:30 p.m., while Osbel Ornelas Jr. was looking for parking near the Rochester Chick-fil-A on his way to pick up his sister Eliana from her job at the neighboring Savers. Ornelas' mother, Belinda, who was with him at the time, says a pickup truck belonging to the Gutierrez brothers was blocking a lane of traffic in the parking lot, so he honked at the vehicle to move. This is what started a verbal altercation with Isaac Gutierrez's brother, Jose Gutierrez Ojeda. Belinda and two other witnesses who were at the scene, who were present at today's trial, testified that after pulling over to talk the situation out, Jose pulled a gun on Ornelas before deciding to put it back in his car. Ornelas then reportedly taunted Jose, saying he wasn't afraid of the gun, which started a fight between the two, which was soon joined by Jose Perez, a family friend of Ornelas, who had been riding in the back seat. The defense says Isaac Gutierrez, after seeing that his brother was outnumbered, retrieved his brother's gun, which witnesses claim already had a bullet in the chamber, and proceeded to go out and try and de-escalate the situation. The gun then discharged, following which witnesses say Ornelas was reported to be shot in the head. The prosecution argues the firing of the gun was intentional. The jury will be hearing more from both the defense and the prosecution tomorrow on July 31st before it reaches a conclusion. In total, the prosecution called 7 witnesses today, and the trial is scheduled to continue tomorrow, starting at 9 a.m. In Rochester, Evan Berg, KIMT News 3.
And as Evan mentioned, the trial continues tomorrow morning, and Evan will be in the courtroom. In addition to the ongoing trial this week, Gutierrez's brother, Jose Gutierrez Ojeda, is scheduled to appear in court for his omnibus hearing on Wednesday, August 21st.